Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a question I get asked a lot. Can I receive USD on Monzo? It's a great question, and the answer might surprise you. Hook. Imagine you're traveling to the United States or doing business with a US-based company. You need to receive payment in USD, but your primary bank only deals in your local currency. What do you do? Context. Well, that's where Monzo comes in. Monzo is a UK-based digital bank that has gained popularity for its modern features and competitive rates. But can it handle your international transactions, especially when it comes to receiving USD? Let's find out. The basics of Monzo. Before we delve into the USD question, let's quickly recap what Monzo is all about. It's a mobile-first bank, meaning you can manage your finances entirely through its app. Monzo offers a variety of features, including free UK and international ATM withdrawals, no monthly fees, easy budgeting tools, round-up savings. Can Monzo handle USD? Now, the million-dollar question, can you receive USD on Monzo? The answer is, yes, you can. Monzo allows you to hold and spend multiple currencies, including USD. This means you can receive payments directly into your Monzo account from US-based sources. How it works? The process is pretty straightforward. When you receive a USD payment, it will be automatically converted to your base currency, e.g., GBP, at the exchange rate Monzo uses. This rate is generally competitive, but it's always a good idea to check the current rates before making any significant transactions. Benefits of receiving USD on Monzo. There are several advantages to using Monzo for your USD transactions. Convenience. You can manage all your finances, including your USD transactions, from a single app. No fees. Monzo doesn't charge any fees for receiving or holding USD. Competitive exchange rates. While Monzo's exchange rates aren't always the best available, they're generally competitive. Easy to use. The Monzo app is designed to be user-friendly, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Potential drawbacks. While there are many benefits to using Monzo for USD transactions, there are also a few potential drawbacks to consider. Limited access to physical branches. As a digital bank, Monzo doesn't have a physical branch network. This can be inconvenient if you prefer to handle your finances in person. Exchange rate fluctuations. Currency exchange rates can fluctuate, which can impact the value of your USD holdings. Potential for technical issues. Like any digital service, Monzo can experience technical difficulties. Alternatives to Monzo. If Monzo doesn't meet your needs, there are other options available. Some popular alternatives include Revolut. Similar to Monzo, Revolut offers multi-currency accounts and competitive exchange rates. Wise, formerly TransferWise. Wise specializes in international money transfers and offers competitive exchange rates. Traditional banks. Many traditional banks also offer international money transfer services, but they may charge higher fees. Conclusion. So, can you receive USD on Monzo? Absolutely. Monzo offers a convenient and cost-effective way to manage your international finances. However, it's important to consider the potential drawbacks and explore other options before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.